First and foremost, the very first area, if you see here on a daily profile, hey, we're rejecting the value area high, the very first area is going to be the point of control. Why? Because again, the point of control is going to be the one specific price throughout this entire fixed range volume profile that we're seeing both the buyers and sellers happy to do business. So with that being said, we could see buying come right back in at that point of control. And if we see buying come right back in at that point of control and the buyers defend the point of control, then price can come all the way back up into that value area high. So this is why from a daily standpoint, if we see price reject and we see the sellers defend that value area high, as we see here, the very first area I would look for a move down to is that point of control. And notice on this previous trading day, because remember, this is the daily time frame, price action did reject that point of control, but then sellers came back in and now we've reclaimed beneath that point of control. So for me, moving into tomorrow's trading day, this point of control is going to be a very crucial level for me, because if I could see that the majority of the time throughout the rest of the trading day that the sellers are still holding that point of control, then there's going to be higher probability for price action to move down and go down into the next key level, which ideally what I would set also are technical key levels along the way, but I would be looking for a longer term perspective for price to come back down into this VWAP that I have set here, and then the opposite edge of value, so all the way down here. But again, I'm not a daily time frame trader, but this is just me setting expectations as to what the daily time frame could potentially do based off of the volume profile instead of just looking at technicals alone.